Hello ladies and I'm going to show you how to fold an origami bird. Origami bird is just from my imagination, but I don't think this will be good. So first people don't know how to fold it, so don't worry, I'm here to show you how to you can it'll fold it. So first people who don't know that birds had an enemy like this cat. And this cat. So, are you wondering what's the name of the two cats? The first cat is Turi, two-dimensional. You can call him Turi or two-dimensional. And the second cat is Jiangsu, the province of China. I combined my cat to the province of China, so that's funny. My mind is so crazy. I am so crazy. So let's get started. So you can use your marker if you want, ball pen or whatever. So you can turn this into diamond like this, and then you can fold it into half. And then once you fold it, you can do it like this, and then you can fold it into half also. And then once you fold it, you can do this. So you imagine there's a triangle. Imagine that this is a triangle. This is a triangle, imagine. And then you can fold the partial part of this. Partial part. So like this. So you can fold it into partial part. So like this. And then the another. You can fold it. And then once you fold it, you can fold it. You can fold this part again, and then you can turn it to straight line. So you can fold it like this. You can fold it to the straight line. So like this. And then once you fold it, you can do it with another. And then this line, and then this part you can fold it into two halves. So like this. And then you can fold it down. And then once you fold it down, and then you imagine that this is a triangle. So you can fold it into partial part again. So like this. So you know what will you do. So you can fold it into partial part. And then the another. And then once you fold it, you can make it open. And then once you open, and then you can do it with this part. You can fold these two parts. So you can fold these two parts until you reach this line. So like this. And then the another. And then once you fold it, you can close it. And then once you close it, you can fold it. You can fold it slantedly in this part and this part, like this. You can fold it slantedly, so like this line. So you can fold it in this part, and you can fold it at the back. And then once you fold it, you can open it and then make it flat. And then once you make it flat, you can easily pull it. So that's how you make a origami bird. So I hope it will help you. So yeah, so you can make a design. You can design it. So it's better you can put a design. So yeah. So thank you so much for watching. So I hope you to watch my next videos or more, my next challenge.